Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to order products in WooCommerce WordPress. First of all guys, I will need you to go to wordpress.com/wp-admin to open this dashboard. And from there guys, I will need you to go to your plugins, add new, and then search for WooCommerce. And just like that, add WooCommerce to your website by clicking on install now and then activate it. After that, I need you to go to installed plugins. From there, go to active and search if WooCommerce is there. If it is there, that means that everything is set up and you are ready to start. If not, go to all, search for WooCommerce and then activate it. Now, refresh the page so you can find this new menu that will be added to your site. Now, to be able to order products, we will have to add products to our website. So how to do so? Go to products, add new, and from here, you just have to put the product name, description, and from here you can add the image, and over here you can add the category of this product, the price, inventory, so how much stock you have, and some other details that you can add here, and the product sort description. After that, click on publish and it will be published. I'm not going to do that because I have already 4 products in my website. So let's go to our products and there they are. So Pringles, iPhone X, and gift cards. How can I order them? This is pretty much easy. So all you need to do is make sure that they are in stock and then go to your website. So I will visit my store, and from here guys I will go all the way down to a product, add to cart, and then view cart. Just like so, I can just remove something that I have ordered yesterday, so let me just remove these. Just like so, you can add here a coupon code, then proceed to checkout. After that, fill these informations and then click on place order, and the order shall be placed. So yeah guys, that was it. That's how you can make an order for a product in WooCommerce. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.